Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. Peel the weather strip back. If you leave part of it on, it will make the reinstalling process slightly easier. Use a flathead screwdriver and carefully apply pressure to the middle to unlock the clip. Once raised, you can pry the base out and remove the clip. Remove the cowling panel. Remove the weather shield. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1001 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the cowling panel by locking the teeth with their catch up top. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the cowling. Reinstall the cord. Reinstall the pins by squeezing the bottom and threading it through the hole. Once the center is pressed down, the pin will be locked. Reinstall the weather strip. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.